Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the music of an Instagram reel after you've posted it. So you might come to the conclusion that once you've posted an Instagram reel without music, you forgot to add music, or you accidentally added the wrong music, then here's a really easy way to still change that music. So when you head over to your Instagram reel, literally right here, and then we can see right here that we get some options at the top right corner of our screen with those three dots, and right here you have a lot of options. So what you might want to try is click on edit, and then for some devices and for some countries Instagram will be different, and for some people you might actually see right here a change music option, because I know that some people do have that option, but that option is just not rolling out to everyone at the same time, and it's only being beta tested right now. So you might want to try and check out if you have that option. If you don't, what you simply can do is click on cancel. Literally all you need to do right here is click on the paper icon in order to share it, and you want to make sure to click on download, because you're going to download this we're going to download this reel to our device. So now it will be added to our device. We can see finish downloading. We can click on this plus icon, and then we can simply upload the reel from our camera gallery, because this is the one we just uploaded. And then in order to add a different song, all we need to do is click on next. Click on next again, and right here you can click on controls, and you want to make sure that the normal audio, which is already that other song, you want to make sure that it's off. And now you can simply add a different song, just like this. We can right now see that we have two switches right here. So what you want to make sure to do is that the original song is completely turned off, and the other song, is completely turned on. And that's basically how you can change the music or the song over on an Instagram reel after you posted it. And now you can just go ahead and post it just like this. So that's basically how you can do it. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.